Number 1. Heritage lingers in this 1967 Ford Fairlane 500. Priced at $7,200 and located in Dahlonega, Georgia. Finished in burgundy over a black interior, it pairs a 302 cubic inch V8 with a 3-speed manual transmission shifted on the floor. The car runs and drives, with noted play in the steering that reflects age rather than neglect. Body and paint present well, supported by a solid structure and a tidy interior. Period charm remains intact, highlighted by the original Freedom Ford trunk emblem and a clean Georgia title. Number 2. Cruiser character defines this 1977 Chevrolet El Camino. Priced at $5,500 and located in Copper Hill, Virginia. Finished in blue with a black interior, it retains its original 305 cubic inch V8 paired with a turbo 3-speed automatic transmission. The car runs and drives reliably, supported by numerous newer components, including wheels, tires, dual exhaust, and seat covers. Presentation favors usability over show standards, giving it an honest, road-ready presence. Paid-off status adds simplicity, making this El Camino a straightforward classic built for regular enjoyment rather than display. Just don't worry about. Number 3. Presence carries this 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. Offered at $6,900 in Chaffee, Missouri. Finished in blue over a black interior, it presents as a driver-focused example meant to be used and enjoyed. Power comes from a strong-running 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a turbo 3-speed automatic transmission featuring a shift improver kit. A limited slip rear with 3.73 gearing supports confident cruising. Lights, heater, wipers, locks, horn, and gauges are operational, and a clean title accompanies this regularly driven classic. Number 4. Elegance defines this 1979 Cadillac DeVille Coupe. Priced at $7,000 and located in Santa Clara, California. Finished in an uncommon green exterior paired with a matching green interior. This color combination is rarely seen on coupes from this year. Showing 56,000 miles, it remains a 2-owner example that runs and drives smoothly. A recent tune-up addressed spark plugs, wiring, and fluids, while new tires and a successful smog inspection support regular road use. Backed by a clean title, it reflects Cadillac's late 1970s focus on comfort and presence. Number 5. Presence comes naturally to this 1967 Ford Galaxie 500. Offered at $5,500 in Borger, Texas. Finished in bright yellow, it presents as a full-size classic that runs and drives with confidence, supported by a strong engine and automatic transmission. The car carries a clean title and is described as solid overall, making it suitable for regular use or gradual refinement. Interior condition shows age and could benefit from attention, but remains serviceable. With its long, clean lines and traditional Galaxie proportions, it reflects Ford's late 1960s approach to comfortable, straightforward cruising. Number 6. Elegance fades slightly, but presence remains strong in this 1984 Cadillac DeVille Coupe, priced at $8,000 in Temple, Texas. Finished in green with a gray interior, it shows a well-kept exterior and retains features like a digital dash, working air conditioning, functional airbags, and proper lighting. The engine starts easily and the car drives, though the automatic transmission no longer engages third gear. Riding on Vogues with an included spare setup, it stands as a complete, clean title coupe, suited for restoration-minded ownership or mechanical recommissioning. Number 7. Stance defines this 1981 Chevrolet 2500 regular cab long bed. Offered at $5,000 in Fayetteville, Tennessee. Finished in black, it features a 5.3 V8 swap paired with a Granny Low 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs strong and drives exactly like a tall, old-school lifted rig, riding on aggressive 37-inch military tires. With a clean title in hand, it presents as a solid foundation for off-road use, utility builds, or hobby upgrades. Early 1980s Chevrolet heavy-duty pickups marked the transition into tougher drivetrains, while retaining the raw mechanical character enthusiasts still seek. Number 8. Rear engine character defines this 1967 Chevrolet Corvair sedan, priced at $4,000 in Gulfport, Mississippi. Finished in red with a black interior, it shows 112,000 miles and runs with an automatic transmission and a flat-six layout unique to the model. The car remains complete, cleanly titled, and presents as a solid driver, suitable for seasonal cruising or gradual improvement. Its compact proportions and distinctive engineering set it apart from typical sedans of the era. The 1967 Corvair represents the refined final years of Chevrolet's air-cooled experiment, blending unconventional design with everyday usability. Number 9. Compact muscle roots shape this 1977 Pontiac Phoenix, offered at $3,500 in Scroggins, Texas. Sharing its platform with the Nova, this example carries a Pontiac 350 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic that runs, drives, and shifts through all gears. The body is straight with only light surface rust and small trunk spots, while the floors and trunk remain solid. Interior pieces need attention, including the rear seats, dash, and door panels. The Phoenix marked Pontiac's entry into lighter, efficient late 70s compacts with genuine V8 attitude. Number 10. Commanding presence defines this 1964 Cadillac Fleetwood Series 75, offered at $6,500 in Harrison, Arkansas. Powered by a large displacement V8 with an automatic transmission, it runs, drives, and stops as expected for a full-size luxury cruiser. Finished in black over a gray interior, this long-wheelbase sedan was built for smooth family cruising and steady road manners. Ongoing small fixes have kept it enjoyable and usable. The Series 75 represented Cadillac's top-tier formal sedan, favored for its space, comfort, and unmistakable early 60s prestige. Number 11. Heritage shines through this 1970 Ford Ranger regular cab, priced at $6,800 in Willow Springs, Missouri. Powered by a 302 V8 with an automatic transmission, it runs and shifts smoothly while retaining its original truck character. Finished in white, the body is straight and presents well, offering a solid foundation that cleans up nicely. Factory air conditioning adds comfort, a rare feature in pickups of this era. The Ranger XLT trim reflected Ford's move toward blending work capability with added refinement during the early 1970s pickup evolution. Number 12. Bold utility defines this 1983 Ford Bronco package, priced at $6,000 in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. The titled Bronco is powered by a 460 big block V8 with a new intake and carburetor, HEI ignition, and a C6 automatic paired with a transfer case that appears intact. Included are extensive parts, a second Bronco, spare engines, transmissions, glass, driveshafts, and tires. Offered as a complete lot, it reflects the early 1980s Bronco era, when full-size sport utilities blended rugged hardware with serious off-road ambition. Number 13. Patina forward presence defines this 1975 Ford F-150 Ranger, offered at $6,500 in Muscle Shoals, Alabama. This two-wheel drive long bed shows 68,516 miles and carries a 390 cubic inch V8 paired with a C6 automatic transmission. Brown exterior and interior present honest wear, complemented by straight body panels and period paint character. The engine turns freely after time and storage, and documentation includes the owner's manual, title, and repair receipts supporting mileage. A bent tailgate with original latches is included. This generation marked Ford's move toward durability-focused full-size pickups. Number 14. Work-ready character anchors this 1985 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 regular cab, priced at $1,500 in Oxford, North Carolina. This long bed pickup features an 8-foot box, 4-wheel drive, and a 350 cubic inch engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing around 100,000 miles, it presents in solid overall condition with a brown exterior and a straightforward, honest stance. The LS trim keeps things simple and functional. True to its era, mid-1980s Silverado models are remembered for blending square-body toughness with everyday usability. Number 15. Purpose-built strength defines this 1978 Chevrolet K10 Custom Deluxe, offered at $6,000 in Monticello, Arkansas. Powered by a recently rebuilt 350 V8, it pairs with a 4-speed manual featuring a granny low and a fully rebuilt MP205 transfer case. The 4-wheel drive system operates smoothly, supported by refreshed front and rear ends and a new clutch kit. Finished in blue inside and out, it shows light rust but remains solid. Late 70s K10 trucks earned a reputation for durability, making this a classic rooted in hard-working heritage. Number 16. Solid lines and square body attitude define this 1980 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab, priced at $6,500 in Porter, Oklahoma. Powered by a 350 V8, it runs and drives well. Paired with a standard manual transmission, recent maintenance includes new tie rods, pitman and idler arms, intake and valve cover gaskets, rebuilt carburetor, fresh exhaust, and new plug wires. Finished in gray with a blue interior, the truck presents well overall, with tires needing future attention. Early 1980s Chevrolet pickups marked the final evolution of classic square-body toughness and everyday usability. Number 17. Simplicity leads the story of this 1963 Ford Falcon Futura, listed at $1,000 and located in Alta Vista, Virginia. Finished in tan with a beige interior, it remains a complete early compact with an automatic transmission and a clean title. The car runs and moves around the yard, supported by extensive recent brake work. Rebuilt carburetor, refreshed ignition components, new fuel hardline, and updated electrical items. Rust is present, but the floors are intact, keeping its structure honest. It still needs rear tires, a battery, and a fuel tank, placing it firmly in the category of a straightforward revival candidate rather than a finished cruiser.